Hi friends, I want to help you sell more homes, and one way you can do that is with an FHA 203K rehab loan. It'll help you sell the dream of that home that's in the right neighborhood. It's on the right street, but it doesn't have the right cabinets. It's not the right bathroom or kitchen. Maybe it's missing the garage. Maybe it's not wheelchair accessible for the disabled veteran or family member. Or maybe you want to get green and add solar panels to the roof, or any number of things that you can do with an FHA 203K rehab loan. You don't have to go on to the next listing in this low inventory environment. You can sell the dream of the home of their dreams by offering them the option of a 203K rehab loan. I want you to call me to ask me about this program that's going to help you sell more homes. The O team does this program at a high level, and I'd love to discuss it with you. I'll talk with you soon.